Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here filming the week of February 4th through February 10th. This part is going to be my pre-planning, and this week I am using the first page of the kit from my shop called Year of the Pig, which is a Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year kit. So this page has the full boxes plus a bunch of half boxes, couple quarter boxes, and a washi strip. And then this page has the bottom washi, another washi strip, headers, quarter boxes, date covers, and a weekend banner. And then additionally, I pulled a bunch of things from my stash. I'm trying to keep it as much in like the red/gold color family as possible. And then I pulled out these washis. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but I have them. I think all 4 of these are from Michaels. And then I have these 2 baby ones, which I think are from Amazon. And then I pulled in this 1 Ton in a Million at Michaels set because I figured that dim sum food is perfect for this week, since that's like the foods that you eat for Chinese New Year. So I will probably be pulling in things from here as well. Anyway, so I am going to go ahead and get started putting down the foundation. So the date covers, the headers, and the bottom washi, and the weekend banner. I'm going to be using this gold pen. I have no idea where I got it from, but it's actually like a calligraphy pen in 2 different sizes. I'll use that to cover up the little February 2019 and probably also write my dates. And then I'm using this red like Muji knockoff pen I got off AliExpress in a 0.5 for my main writing this week. So I'm going to fast forward you through that part and I will be right back. Definitely one of the more painful bases I put down. As you might have seen, I was really struggling with the glitter headers. Well, these aren't really glitter headers, but the headers, I'm not really sure what happened, but apparently I did a really bad job at cutting using my slice tool. Before I forget, I should do this section up here. So this has 2 ends. I want the small end, which is like 2 millimeters. Sure that this is like opaque enough for me to be totally happy with it, but let me do it and then I will think about if I want to change it out during the week. So you might see it look different by the end of the spread. We shall see. Okay, so that is the base done. So now why don't we move on to the full boxes. I'm gonna try to scatter them this week. So I'm going to start out with this fortune kitty. Sorry, I can't count and talk at the same time, turns out. So I'm putting that up as like my little quote. It's not really a quote box, but you know what I mean. And then I'm going to try to divide out the rest of these during the week. So I kind of want these 2 to go opposite, these 2 to go opposite. I think these 2 will go opposite. No, these. Yeah, I think these 2, and so this one should be my center box. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think, so like a little M shape. So I'm just going to place this down for Thursday. I kind of want the 2 pigs next, I think. I think these guys are so cute. I think I'm going to put this one on Wednesday. And this one on Friday. It's not a lot of logic to that, but I feel like there's a lot of white here, so it kind of balances out. All right, next up, I would like the two people. So I have this girl with her red envelopes and her cherry blossom tree, and then I have this one holding a bunch of coins. So I like them facing in, so I'm gonna put the girl on Thursday, which means that these go on Tuesday. Just like that. Okay, and then the last two are the sparkler and the moon cakes. So most of the celebrating, at least in my family, happens on Monday because it's already Chinese New Year in China by then. So I'm gonna put the moon cakes on Monday, and then I'll put the sparkler on Sunday. All right, there we go. So that is the base. So next up is my sidebar. So I have a couple of these headers left, which I'm going to use despite the fact that they are evil as far as I can tell. I mean, I know that it's not the fault of the headers, it's the fault of my inability to use this slice tool successfully, but it's kind of more fun to be annoyed at them, you know? All right, so let me just trim these up. I'm just gonna put all three on the back of my hand right now because I know that I'll end up using them. I think I always use all three. So let me just do that. All right, so now I have those three. So I think I'll start out with one of them. I have like scraps on my hand. I'm just a mess today. Sorry, guys. All right, so starting out by putting down this header, and then I'm gonna have two habit trackers this week. This is a leftover that I don't know where it came from, but one of the kits I used in the past. And then I'm gonna use this one, which comes from Creative Cavern Studios. It's brown, but I feel like that kind of is like the non-sparkly version of gold, I guess. So this one's like kind of a tan one, and it has little flecks of red in it. Whenever I cut this one, I also apparently did a bad job. Okay, let me see. Done, I did it, okay. So I'm just gonna put that one up first. Just pressing it up. If I can get it like centered, that would be great. Hopefully my head is not in the frame right now. All right, close enough. And then I'm gonna use this one from Creative Cavern Studio. All right, there's that one. This is not really running in a straight line, but it'll be okay, I think. All right, so then I'm gonna put down another one of the headers. And then I have this like Memby book from, I don't know what it's called, but it has this box in here called Work to Do. And it has like a red header on it. I feel like I want it, hang on, I'm gonna turn this sideways because I want it to line up with the edge of the purple box so that I know it's straight, because I know that my whole sidebar is kind of like going crooked. Okay, so there's my work to do. Most of my to-dos are work related, so I'm just gonna only have work related to-dos this week. I'm gonna put down the other header, and then I have this scrap. I have no idea where it came from, but it's really cute and I like it. So I'm going to use this little scrap, assuming I can manage to peel the backer off. This also came from an old kit. All right, there we go. So I think actually I'm gonna put it this direction because like most of the interesting stuff is on this side. So there's that, and then I think I'm gonna take just a couple strips of this gold and white, really like ultra skinny washi. So my sister got me this for Christmas because she knows that I love washi. I could not find my slice tool. I have like a mug sitting next to me that has like all the stuff that I use all the time in it. So my like go-to pens, slice tool, scissors, tweezers, etc. I could not find anything in there. Alright, I think this is gonna like just perfectly cover up the bottom to the bottom of the purple section. So I think that that is gonna be good. Alright, we will go with that. Okay.
Okay, so the rest of my footage was lost, so I can't actually show you the daily stuff, but it went pretty much like how my usual pre-planning goes, but I will go through all of the stickers when I show you my finished week coming up next.
Alright, and I am back. As my voiceover self just said, I lost a ton of footage, but luckily I didn't have that many plans that I really knew about. So we can still go through everything for this week's spread. I love how it turned out. It's really colorful and beautiful. So just going through this, you already know, I think that this came from Creative Cavern Studio. This habit tracker is also from Creative Cavern Studio. This top one, I'm not sure where it came from. Maybe Pink Pixel Graphics, but I'm not sure. It was just in my leftovers. And then this work to do came from a Mambi planner, and then this is another scrap, maybe from Planner One Love, not really sure, it's just in my leftovers. And then this washi tape I received as a gift, so probably from Amazon, but I'm not sure. Going down Monday, this little trash and recycling girl is from Creative Cavern Studios. This little doctor is Dr. Candy Apple from Sassy Apple Studio. This label comes from one of my old kits, I think the STEM kit, and then the same washi again. These chopsticks are from Wonton and a Million at Michael's. This little bubble tea is from Sassy Apple Studio. This star is from a Mambi planner. On this one, these little stars are also from a Mambi planner set. This little thing is from Britannia Nicole. This star is also from a Mambi set. This little red label is from one of my old kits. I'm not sure which one. This little thing is also from Britannia. And then this ice cream is from a Mambi set, as is this little label. On Wednesday, this little working girl is from Wonton and a Million. This washi tape is from Michael's. This is a little Happy Mail from Corsa's Creations, which was perfect because it was her Happy Mail that came in. And then another label, or another quarter box, again from one of my leftovers, and a little thing from Britannia Nicole. On Thursday, this box is also from my leftovers, and then this little asterisk is from one of the Mambi planners. These two little things are from Britannia Nicole, and this prescription bottle is from Corsa's Creations. Down here, this Happy Meal Girl is from Sassy Apple Studio. This little heart is from a Mambi book, and then this asterisk is also from a Mambi book. On Friday, I used this little hair washing girl from Creative Cavern Studio. This Now label comes from a Mambi book, and this is the little Avery from Creative Cavern Studio. It's part of her new Avery's. This What's for Dinner is also from a Mambi book, and then this little books is from Chasing Chels. On Saturday, this Relax sticker is from a Mambi book, and then here's another Avery from Creative Cavern Studio, and then this pizza is also from a Mambi book. And then on Sunday, this is from Wonton and a Million. The smiley is from a Mambi book. This little fruit tea is from Chasing Chels. This is another Avery from Creative Cavern Studios. This house is from Creative Cavern Studio as well, and then the little thing is from Britannia Nicole. So this is how this spread turned out. As always, please like and subscribe below, and check out my Instagram. You can get some sneak peeks for what this coming week will look like before I post the video about it, and also you can see what else is going on in my shop. Links to relevant shops, etc. are also found below. So I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!